The Customize Home Screen option allows iOS 18 later iPhone and iPad users to hide the app name from the home screen and app library. If you accidentally turned on this setting, then follow this tutorial and fix the problem in just 15 seconds. First, touch and hold on the blank screen of your iPhone or iPad home screen. Tap on the Customize option and select Small option, and you will see the app name label back on your iPhone or iPad home screen. That's it. If the effect is not showing, try to hard reboot your device and try again. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Then, only press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo after the black screen. Wait to turn it on again. Follow the steps given earlier and check the changes are applied on the home screen. Still not working, then try to reset all settings on your iPhone or iPad. But this option will reset all settings like Wi-Fi password, custom gestures, and customize the home screen layout. But all data will be safe like email accounts, contacts, iCloud password, messages, and more. To do that, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to General option. Again, scroll to the Transfer or Reset option. Tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if enabled. Click on the Reset confirmation pop-up with no data, and the media will be deleted. Wi-Fi for your device will reboot once and turn on again. Check the issue is fixed. I hope you get help in this video. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Also, comment for more help.